Thank you for your comments, your likes and your hype, and those that subscribed. So that was a success, wasn't it? So well done. And then another success is this. So it's all in there now, all done. That's sorted out. Got all my wiring tangs on. Play the little Polynesian tune, can't we? Anyway, there you go. So that's done. So we need to think about what's next, which will be round here. This little lot. So what we've got, obviously this was the tongue area that went into the chassis rail. So that's that. I've got to neaten this up where it joins. And then we have an outrigger here that goes across to here and then onto the end of this sill. So I'm going to let that in. Then, then sort of finalise how this goes, and then that's the sort of jacking point area. And then obviously then we have the floor's got to go in, and then it's got to join the next kick plate that goes up to here. So the kick plate will join down here, and then the floor goes there. So that lot needs doing, and I've got to sort of finesse all this to get it to fit right. But the idea is then that ties that lot together. So that'll put some strength back into it. Then I can get into this A-post area, then all this lot will happen. So it's this floor area really, tie this lot together. So yeah, there's a bit to do. I'm just sort of working on that at the moment. Then we've got a floor, you see, so then the front section of the floor needs doing there, that then goes into the kick plate, goes up to here, or heel plate, which will be this area. So from there to there, it joins there, then goes into here. So I've made floor pans before, complete ones, like so. But I don't want to do a full floor pan, we're just going to do that area, that front bit there. And this is for the other side. So, if you'll see, this is the opposite side, opposite number. So that bit there that curls up there goes in the would be on this side of it. But you can see, we're going to make all that. So that's it. I think that'll be all right. That'll keep you busy, won't it? And then I thought we'd have a little bit of footage of a couple of cars at the weekend that I saw. So went to a little concourse event, and yeah, so there was a lovely Maserati Sebring, which is not dissimilar to the Mistral in that it runs the same engine and same fuel injection system. So that is of interest. So we'll have a look at that. And this little Ferrari, which was Eric Clapton's, which I thought was quite good. Quite liked looking at that. So there you are. So you can keep yourself busy with that. And so I better get on with this, hadn't I? And what do we say? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hype. And leave comments, please, because that's always good.